Alright guys, we are getting started. So this is her 4 weeks out. First I'm going to go ahead and start by using a little bit of the rubbing alcohol, and we're going to loose these edges where we use the lace glue. So the fact that I have to do this means that it did not completely lift, which is a very good thing, and I know a lot of you had concern with it. So we're going to go ahead and loose or remove the glue from around the edges. And then here we are shampooing it. So it has completely lifted with no problem. I am being sure to cleanse, of course, the hair, but also her head and scalp. So I'm giving it a very good rinse. I'm choosing to use a clarifying shampoo that's going to remove all or any debris out of the hair, the lace front, and also her hair as well. Then I'm going to go back in with a moisturizing conditioning shampoo. And that is just to make sure that I'm taking care of her hair that's on her scalp as well. So the clarifying so that we can cleanse the actual scalp, and then the moisturizing so that we are adding some moisture back into the actual braids themselves. So now I'm adding some conditioner, and while the conditioner is sitting on her hairline, I'm going to go ahead and use my little small brush and brush out any leftover glue particle or residue. Now I'm rinsing, and then I'm going to rinse her hairline again. This is going to make certain that I don't leave any conditioners or anything left over. And we are complete. So I'm going to go ahead, because I pre-tweezed the part, it made it a lot easier to find for the purpose of molding. And all I did was pull the frontal down, so I did not lay it with any glue or anything. I'm just putting a little gel on the back of her sew-in, my wrap cap, and then under the dryer. Now that she's completely dry, before I lay the frontal, I'm going to go in and oil her scalp just a little bit. Then I'm going to pour a little bit of my Weave Wonder Wrap just on the braided area right before I put the lace glue. And to me, this just helps the frontal from shifting back and not relying so much on the glue. This method I use also gives more support when styling, less tension on the hairline, and also more longevity throughout the course of the actual sewing. Now to secure the back, I'm going to go ahead and shave any hair that has grown in, and then I'm going to bend the ends under so that it will curve towards the neck. And then I will put a little bit of lace glue, a very thin layer, and this is just so that it secures the hair to the back of the neck and it prevents it from lifting when she looks down. And I'm going to press that in once it dries. And you want to make sure that you do this when their head is tilted down and not up, because if you do it when it is up, then when they tilt down it will pull and it won't feel that great, or it could possibly release because you're not using that much glue anyhow. Then I'm going to take my clipper and just clean up or sharpen that line. Here's a closer view of what that looks like. See how neat it is. Then using a little bit of my S3 serum right here, I'm going to put about a dime size in my hand, emulsify it, and rub it throughout the weave. I used to just use this just for my relaxed clients. It's an excellent heat protectant without weighing the hair down. And then I would just use the Chi for my weaves, but I realized that this works excellent for my weaves as well. So I have transitioned over. So if you see any videos after this one posted with the Chi, just know that they were recorded prior to this video. So first off, to all my loves that showed me so much love in the comment section, I want to thank y'all so much. Thank y'all for subscribing and pouring into me as I do these videos. Y'all are the reason that I'm trying to stay consistent with it. If you have not already subscribed, not already one of my loves, please make sure that you do so. I would love to see you here again. This is the finished look. I hope that you liked it. I hope that I answered a lot of the questions and concerns that you guys had. If you have any other suggestions or videos that you would like to see, please make sure that you list it in the comment section. And until next time, bye loves.